In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Hubspot deals in just 5 minutes. Exporting your deals from Hubspot is a straightforward process, but knowing the steps makes it even more efficient and tailored to your needs. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once you're there, look for the login option, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and proceed to log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Hubspot dashboard. Here, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a navigation menu. You're going to want to click on CRM and then select Deals. Now that you're in the Deals section, you'll see a list of all your current deals. But before you export them, it might be beneficial to use filters to narrow down precisely which deals you want. You could filter them by different parameters such as pipeline, the deal stage, deal owner, or even a specific date range. Applying these filters helps ensure that you're only exporting the data that's most relevant to you. Once you've set up your filters and have the deals you want on display, look to the top right corner of the deals table. You'll notice an option to export. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to select Export View, which allows you to choose exactly what you want to export. Here you have two options to consider. You can select Export View if you're interested in exporting just the columns that are visible in your current view of the dashboard. On the other hand, if you need a more comprehensive data set, choose All Properties. This option will include every available deal property within the export. Consider carefully about what best suits your needs before proceeding. Next up is your file format choice. HubSpot offers several formats like CSV, XLS, or XLSX. Regardless of what data software you use, just select the one that best aligns with it. For example, if you're planning to use Excel, you might opt for XLS or XLSX. If you're going to manipulate the data in different software, CSV might be the more compatible format. After making your decision, it's time to complete the process. Simply click Export. Depending on your HubSpot settings, you might either receive a download link via email that you can click to access the file, or it could automatically download directly onto your computer. And there you have it. You've now successfully exported your HubSpot deals. This organized approach to exporting not only saves time but ensures you're armed with the precise information you need for analysis or reporting.